Nipsey Hussle, who is Lauren London's husband, passed away. Nipsey Hussle, real name Ermias Davidson Askham and the boyfriend of actress Lauren London, died aged 33 in Los Angeles on Sunday. How did he die? What was his cause of death? Rapper Nipsey Hussle died aged 33 after being shot outside a clothing store in Los Angeles on Sunday, law enforcement sources told TMZ. It is reported the incident took place on Slauson Avenue in South Los Angeles at approximately 3:20 p.m. local time. Two other men are said to be in a serious condition following the shooting, and the suspect is yet to be found. The suspect reportedly fled the scene in a vehicle. An investigation is currently underway. Express.co.uk has contacted a representative for Nipsey Hussle. Nipsey rose to fame in the music industry when he released multiple mixtapes back in 2005. He went on to release his first studio album, Victory Lap, last year, which earned him a nomination for Best Rap Album at the Grammys. Nipsey released 10 projects through his own record label All Money In. The rapper has also worked with the likes of Snoop Dogg, Childish Gambino, Kendrick Lamar and Drake. A most recent project of his saw him involved in the new Destination Crenshaw Arts project. Last year, the rapper spoke out about his upbringing in a candid chat with The Times. He said, "I grew up in gang culture. We dealt with death, with murder. It was like living in a war zone, where people die on these blocks, and everybody is a little bit immune to it. I guess they call it post-traumatic stress, when you have people that have been at war for such a long time. I think Laz suffers from that, because it's not normal, yet we embrace it like it is after a while." Following the news of his death, many of her fans and fellow musicians flocked to Twitter to pay a tribute.